back to my channel. If today is your first time seeing this video, please do well to subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, I love you so much. Thank you guys for your support. This means so much to me and the channel. I love you. Without wasting our time, I want to teach us how to get rid of dark knuckles. There are two major ways that you can get rid of your dark knuckles, and I'm going to be teaching you the two different methods of getting rid of your dark knuckles. If you look at my knuckles, you can see the changes are very significant. They are obvious. Unlike this picture, if you see the picture, you know that you can see the difference from this and this. All right, so I'm going to be teaching you remedies, effective remedies for clearing your dark knuckles. So this is method number one. So the things that you need for clearing your knuckles are the materials that you need for clearing your knuckles are baking soda. You need this baking soda, yes, and you need lime. So I got this small lime. You can get bigger ones. I got this small lime for it, lead, and your knife. So these are majorly the things that you need for your dark knuckle remover, and again your spoon. Yeah, so guys, let's go into the video. So I'm going to get this out. You can see. I'm going to be using 2 spoons. Okay, I think this is not full yet. Oh, so I'm going to be using 2 spoons. And the lime, I'm going to be cutting. You can use lime or lemon. If you can't get lime, you can use lemon. So you cut the lemon. So watch. You can see it's already, I don't know if you notice what is happening here. It's forming. It's forming. So this is it. You can see it's forming. I don't know how you will see it though. I don't know if you can see it like this. So this is too watery. It's too watery for me. It's too watery. So I'm going to add more. I just want the solution to be a little bit thicker. So if you notice your own is watery like mine, you can just add more of the soda into it for you to get this. Okay, so this is it. This is it. So what I'm going to do now is I will use it. I'll start putting it on my hands where there is knuckles. Just put it on those places that there are knuckles. Let me use my hand. Those places that you can see knuckles, put it there. You can even see this hand. The knuckles there is still obvious, but it's gradually removing. Go like this, okay. And then you do the same for the other side. So I've done this for my whole hands. I've done this. Then you have to use this, the lime that you use. Just put it like, see my hand, see, just put it like this, and then use it to massage the areas. Use it to massage I don't, ouch. Ooh, just have to be careful. Use it to massage the areas that you notice have dark knuckles. Okay, do this for at least 2 minutes. And also just use it to massage the areas that have knuckles on it. So guys, this is it. So you do this at least thrice in a week, or you can even do it as much time as you have. If you have time every day, you can just do it every day until you get your desired result. And trust me, in 2 weeks you'll be seeing results. In 14 days you'll be seeing visible results of your hands changing. So this is method number 1. So guys, the second procedure or method or recipe that you need for clearing dark knuckles. Materials that you need are baking soda. I am going to use the remaining part of the baking soda so that we'll not waste the product. Yes, so baking soda, turmeric, this is turmeric, and also lime. So the first method came with only 2 things, which is baking soda and lime. Yes, why this second one comes with baking soda, turmeric, and lime. So I'm going to be using the remaining half of the lime that I used for the first method, so that we'll be able to use our materials, so we'll not waste materials. All right, so let's get into the video. So just like the other first method, you will need a plate, a spoon, and of course knife. I've already cut the lime, so I wouldn't need to start showing you guys how to cut lime again. Of course, everybody knows how to cut lime. So this is the plate that I'm going to use for the second method. So I'm just going to add my baking. I don't know if you guys can see this. I hope you can see this. So this is first spoon. And this is the second spoon. 2 spoons are okay. You just have to be careful so that it will not be too watery, so that after the mixture will not be watery, so that it will be thick. So when you are putting in your lime, you just have to check and know, okay, this is enough. I think this is okay by now. You just have to be sure, so that you will not put too much lime. For the turmeric, I'm going to be adding just half spoon of turmeric is okay. I hope you can see this, guys. So just half turmeric is okay. I'll be adding the half turmeric to the mixture, and then I'll mix it. I hope you can see what I'm doing. Let me turn it this way so you can see. I just hope you can see what I'm doing. I don't know if you can see. So I've already mixed it. Then I'm going to be adding the lime. This time around, we have to be careful. You notice that when you are adding the lime, let me remove the spoon. When you're adding the lime, the soda and the turmeric will start forming. So let's check it again. Are you seeing what is happening? Let me show you guys. I don't know if you can see it. See, it's already forming. Let me know if I can show you from here. It's forming. You can see it from here. It's forming. So I don't want to put the lime so that it will not be too much. So I'm turning it already. It's too dry, see? So I'm going to add more lime to it. It's too dry. As you're putting it, you know if the consistency is okay for you. So guys, this is what it looks like. Okay, what do you notice about? I think the first one was quite watery, unlike this one that is thicker. What did you notice? Put it on the comment section. I want to know, how did you notice in this first and second mixture? Because I think this is a little bit harder than the first mixture we did. I don't know, maybe it's because of the turmeric that we added to the whole thing. So I'm going to be putting it on my, just like we did in the first part. I'm going to put it on the places that have knuckle. Just have to be careful so you don't litter your broom or your clothes or whatever, you know. Don't worry about the ones falling. I already placed a cloth on my legs, so the ground will not be stained or anything. So I'm just going to use my first hand to demonstrate the whole thing. So this is it. I'm also going to put the lime inside this mixture, and then I scrub. Then we do that for the second finger too, because second hand, sorry, the second hand too, the places that have the knuckles. I'm going to just put it on those places. I'm going to put it on my hands, and then this I'm going to place it on. I'm going to place, I just want you guys to see everything that I'm doing. That's why so guys, this is it. This is my hands. This is it. So guys, these are the two methods or two ways you can use to get rid of your dark knuckles. Yes, is it not very simple? It's very simple. If you have turmeric, you can combine the three things, which is turmeric, lime, and baking soda. But if you don't have the turmeric, you can just use your baking soda and also your lime. Yes, and you're good to go. So try this method and let me know what you think about this method. I'm sure it works, yes, because this picture, you can see this picture is very bad, and then you can see my hands, this one. Now there are changes, and then before a month, of course, you know that the changes will be visible. All right, so like this video, share, subscribe. Please, if you have not subscribed, I beg you, don't leave this video without subscribing. Please do it to subscribe, like, comment. I want to hear you. I want to know what you think about these things. What did you notice? What are the things that you want me to do better? You know, I'm still growing. Yeah, so I need you to help me. I need you to be better. Yes, so tell me what you think I should do more, where I should improve, things I should do better, and then take it up from there. So just give me some minutes, let me wash off my hands, and then we go into the video. So this is my hand after washing it. Yeah, so you can see there are changes. So please, when you are done washing your hands, do not leave your hands like that. Once you are done drying it, you have to moisturize it. This is my carrot oil, so I'm going to use my carrot oil to moisturize my hands so it will not be dry. So thank you very much for watching to the end. Please, if you have not subscribed, do well to subscribe. Thank you very much. See you in my next video. Bye bye.